So where do you see companies succeeding with complex and transformations, and where are they failing?
Mm-hmm. Well, first of all, and this is not from me, you will find that in any literature, but most complex transformations fail. Or very few are qualified as success in a sense of where the companies going through that transformation wanted to land. And the number is around 70 to 80%, depending on the source you're reading. But I think most consulting firms would agree on it's a very large number of failures. Whether you take M&A activities, whether you look at cultural transformations, you look at ERP implementations or digital transformations, most initiatives fail. Eventually, companies at some point will get there, but when you look at typically an initiative has a starting point and end point, you have a timeline, you have a budget, and you have a specific goal and KPIs which are attached to that's how the end game should look like, and how we measure our plans against that end game. And very few do that in time, in full, in budget. But you can minimize the risks in understanding how does best practice look like and what are typical pitfalls and how to avoid them. Yeah, so you can be better prepared or less prepared. So I would say that the level of preparedness is already critical. I would say the level of awareness of the leadership team is that really important. Having leadership commitment, like this is a top strategic initiative, we need to address it, we need to resource it, and we need to do it. It's not an option. Yeah, so involving key stakeholders like board of directors, business owners, critical members of the leadership team, key people in the organization, doing a good planning, having a reasonable assessment of time and effort and resources it will cost. Otherwise, without that level of readiness and preparedness, you will face a lot of negative surprises. And this could go to a point of breaking the company. And you never want to experience that. So being ready, being prepared, and understanding the best practices is already a very good start.